Good morning, beautiful people! Nandito tayo ngayon sa Mount Ayaas. Magka-camp tayo for 2 days. Tatakbo kasi tayo sa Mount Ayaas sa Kinao, and then kasama ko yung mga Sacred Brothers. So, tatakbo sila ng Malasya. Later, I'll be alone sa campsite. It's been so long since the last time nag-camp ako. Parang last year pa yata yun. So, I'm really excited for this one. We have just entered the forest. Look at those. Malapit na natin matapos yung technical part ng climb.
Steep. Yung gradient siya. Sarap po, nakaboots oh. Kahit saan dumadaan oh.
Listen. First stopover. Dito sa Yas, meron naman mga tindahan. Pwede kang makabili ng water and snacks. So stop muna kami dito for few minutes and then start na ulit mag-trek. Fresh water. Grabe. Thank you. When you're in the mountain, tapos nakakita kayo ng water, huwag niyong lagpasan. Kumuha kayo ng water. Kahit 1 cup or sahan nyo lang kayo uminom. It's safe, it's fresh, it's cold, and hindi siya stress. So, take a break from those filtered water. Just go and drink it. Drink water fresh from the mountain. Ngayon na lang ako ulit nag-pants. Ever since I started trail running, hindi na ako nagsuot ng hiking pants. Grabe, para ako nagsasana. Para ako naka-sauna suit. Sobrang init. Thank you for the welcome. Real life Tarzan. Bye guys.
Bye! See you later!
See you! Dito kami sa Cienfuegos mag-set up ng tent namin. So our Sacred Brothers started their run already and on the way na sila to Malasya. So baka it will take them another 3 hours. So while they're enjoying their trail run there, I'll be enjoying my time here. Isang bag ng mga crystals, chains, pearls. So I'll be making some jewelries today. Finally, ipuput into work ko na yung mga designs ko. Finally. Look who arrived! Hi! One of the good things about being in the nature is that you'll get that inspiration again to do your crafts or arts or whatever you love to do. And in the past months, I've been really busy with my own thoughts, with my internal journey, with work, with mundane stuff. So, sobrang saya ko. Today is different because we're going to camp. And it's really slow. Sometimes sobrang important ng nasa slow and steady pace ka. Kung di nyo man kayang pumunta in the mountain or sa beach, just go out sa bahay nyo. Walk. You can do a lot of things na makaka-help sa inyo to ground.
Meron pa pasalubong nga sa'yo. Look. Tada!
So, solo pala namin today yung campsite. Look at our view. Ganda. It's time to pitch our tents. Nakapag-cook na kami ng dinner. Hindi ko na nakunan kanina kasi medyo gahol na sa oras. Dumidilim na. Pero we cooked sinigang. Beef sinigang. Yan, nandiyan na yung mga ibang veggies. And then the meat. I'm just going to add the chilies. Siyempre, lastly, kangkong. Hindi kumpleto ang sinigang pag wala ang kangkong. Look at that. Dahil masisipag ang ating mga kuya mag-training, ito, recovery food nila. Beef sinigang. Perfect din sa weather kasi palamig na.
Asim! Sarap.
Sarap.
Woo!
Thank you.
Parang gumagano buong nawawala, napupunta sa universe.
Akala ko nga kanina hindi ako makakain pa kasi nabusog ako.
Good morning. Good morning, guys.
Good morning!
Today is a new day and our last day here in Montalban. So from here sa Cienfuegos, mag-hike kami papuntang Kinao. And it's going to be my first time na makita yun. Katas lang namin mag-breakfast. So in few minutes, magpe-prepare na rin kami. Kinao is another sitio here in Montalban. Andito kami ngayon sa Mount Ayaas. From here sa campsite ng Cienfuegos, it's about 7 to 8 kilometers away to Kinao. So we'll pass through Mount Ayaas Summit and then we will take Puray Malasya Dirt Road.
I-shred mo lang.
Ayun na, tinatanggalan na po ako ng bahay ni Koy. Nagdala ko ng altar stuff. Saved us last night. Sobrang daming mosquitoes. It's important to bring stuff like this. Citronella, incense, or at least off lotion. Of course, we also need nutrition. So, dadali namin to sa trail. Like a bars. And then we also have electrolyte candies. Wet wipes and tissue. Puno ng mud. And of course, don't forget your sunscreen. Ano ba taagin sa light? Jess and I will start the hike. Susunod na lang yung mga brothers natin. Kasi, mabibili sila. This narrow path here is the trail to Puray and Malasya Dirt Road. Yun o. Ganda. Doon tayo galing and we are now approaching to Puray Malasya Dirt Road. Meron ditong community. Dito kami minsan bumibili ng water if need namin mag-refill. So doon sa community, may small trail.
Paglabas mo dito, ito yung dirt road na nagko-connect sa Puray and Malasya. Coming from Kinao, titingnan mo tong road na to. So ang palatandaan mo may tindahan dito. Kasi some of people na nag-hike sa Kinao, nakakalimutan nila ito yung daan pabalik ng Ayala.
Yeah.
Kasi ito going down to Puray.
Left to Kinao. Dahil si Kuya laging tagadala ng mga gamit. Thanks, Ma. Look at that. Got some passion fruit. Here, let's get more. Free food from Pachamama. Let's get some more. Forage.
This one also.
Oh, another one.
And this one.
You know, yay! Excited akong gumawa ng lemon water
Four pieces.
with passion fruit.
Ganyan no?
Purple. On the way back to our base camp.
Makiputo. You who are known by 1,000 names, and you who are the unnameable one that dwells within us and all around us in all forms. Your rivers, trees, wild animals, and landscape are always reminding us who we truly are, forever one with your creation, one with God.
Going home now.